Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Where GFCIs are required. GFCI protection is required for 125 volt to 250 volt receptacles supplied by single-phase branch circuits rated 150 volts or less to the ground. GFCI receptacles are required in bathrooms, garages, crawl spaces, basements, laundry rooms and areas where a water source is present.
Take our lead.
There's no limit. A standard GFCI will protect up to 20 amps, drawn from any combination of receptacles, either the built-in one or any number of additional ones connected to its load terminals. 26 July 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
In the U.S., under the NEC National Electrical Code guidelines, all commercial buildings, kitchens are required to have GFCI for refrigerators. Refrigerators in a garage or unfinished basement must also have a GFCI circuit. Refrigerators that are in a household kitchen do not have to have a GFCI.
Take our lead.
Kitchens, all receptacles serving countertop areas and any receptacle within 6 feet of a sink must have GFCI protection. Laundry, utility, and wet bar sinks, where receptacles are placed within 6 feet of the outside edge of the sink, they require GFCI protection. 4 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To do that, you need the help of an electrician. When it comes to replacing the outlet, the procedure is pretty simple. Remove them and attach them to the same place on the new outlet. Turn the breaker on to test the outlet and, if it works, turn the breaker off and secure the outlet back into the wall. 14 March 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you need to wire multiple GFCI outlets such as in a kitchen or bathroom, you have a couple of options. To save money, you can put in a single GFCI and then wire additional standard outlets to the load output from the single GFCI. This provides the same protection as having a GFCI at each location.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Outdoor electrical outlets differ from indoor outlets because they have watertight covers that protect the outlet even with a cord plugged in. Plus, the National Electrical Code requires all outdoor outlets to be GFCI outlets, ground fault circuit interrupter outlets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.